In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact QuickBooks support for resetting your company data, or alternatively, how to create a new QuickBooks Online company. Now, dealing with company data can be a bit daunting, especially when you need a fresh start or want to make sure everything is in order. But don't worry, we've got you covered with this straightforward guide. First, let's talk about contacting QuickBooks support to reset your company data. Sometimes the complexity or the volume of your data might require a full reset, and reaching out to the experts at QuickBooks can eliminate potential headaches. To start, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks account. Make sure your credentials are on hand and that you're able to sign in without any trouble. Once logged in, navigate to the Help menu, which you'll typically find at the top right-hand corner of your dashboard. Clicking on it will give you access to a variety of support options. You'll want to select the option that lets you get in touch with a representative, whether it's a call or a chat session. When you're connected to a support agent, explain your need to reset your company data. It's important to be as detailed as possible. This ensures they understand exactly what you want to do and can provide the right support or escalate your issue if needed. They'll guide you through any verification steps to confirm your identity and ownership of the data, as well as outline the reset process. Let's now switch gears and explore creating a new QuickBooks Online company. If you decide a fresh start is what's best for you, this option might fit your needs perfectly. Navigate to the QuickBooks Online website and look for the option to start a new company. This will typically appear as a choice listed within the main menu or under Account Settings. Click on it and you'll be guided through the setup process. You'll need to provide some basic information for your new company, including the company name, industry, and type of business. Be sure to take your time filling out these fields accurately, as this information can impact how your QuickBooks account is customized for your needs. Once you successfully set up your new company, remember to review your settings, tailor the preferences to fit your business operations, and start inputting your relevant financial data to get things rolling. Whether you're resetting your data with the help of QuickBooks support or creating an entirely new QuickBooks Online company, taking the time to understand these processes will help you manage your financials with ease. Remember, support is just a click or a call away if you need further assistance. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to managing your company's financial information in QuickBooks. Hopefully this guide has made things clearer for you, giving you the confidence to take the next step in optimizing your business transactions. Happy bookkeeping!